Hi, hi goodies. Today I came to you all with a new story. Are we all ready to listen to it? For that, I am going to invite I am going to invite one friend. Shall we? You all shout, "Come on, come on." Then he'll come. Okay? Let's invite. Say, "Come on, come on, come on." Now, yes, he is our new friend, Haina, the monkey. Yes, today we are going to listen to a story of a monkey. For that, we all are going into a deep forest. Forest will be full of trees, greens, right? Yes, in that forest, there was a group of monkeys. All this, Haina's friends. This Haina is very naughty among all of the monkeys. See? So all the monkeys were very happy. They all will dance together, play together, eat together. So they are enjoying completely. They banyan trees also there. Roots were coming down, right? They were very happy because they can climb the root and they can swing from tree to tree and jump everywhere. So they were enjoying the new place. But what they played, What we played? They were playing with the roots. They plucked the roots and they were throwing the roots to other people. Yes, they were throwing the roots to other people. So when the root touch other person, they are out. So they need to come to this place. So in that way, they were playing very happily. That was Haina's turn. Haina was taking one root, and when the Haina wanted to throw it to friends, everybody was shocked. Yes, everybody was shocked because want to see what happened? Yes, I'll tell you. When Haina wanted to throw it, other friends said, "No, Haina, no, please, no, don't throw it, don't throw it." Everybody run here and there. They're hiding behind the trees and they're hiding behind the stones and everything is happening. But Haina was a little shocked. Why? Why, friends? Why you all are doing like this? When everybody is throwing, I'm just playing like you. But now everybody is hiding. How can I play? Guys, please come out. But other monkeys were telling, no, Haina, don't throw it, please. You look at your hand, what you're having. Haina was shocked. What? But others telling, please see what you're having in your hand. Tell me, Haina, watch his hands. Haina, watch his hands. It is not the root. It is snake. It's a snake. Haina got shocked. Oh, what is this? What is this? What I do? Friends, help me, like that. Haina was shouting. Others said, no, don't leave it. If you leave the snake down, it will bite you. Don't leave it. Keep your hand with a distance. Like this. Haina was standing. I was standing for a long time. Others said, they all got panicked and others said, okay, we'll go and inform parents. One group will have ran away. And others were, look at Haina, what is happening? But everybody got afraid and everybody ran away because of fear. But Haina, with all fear, was holding his hand like this. Don't know what to do. Time gone. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. Oh, it's so late in the night. But Haina's standing like this with the tears in her eyes. But something happened different. But elephant came there. That elephant was looking at Hannah. What happened to you, dear? What happened to you? Why are you crying? What you're asking me? You're watching my hands like I'm having this snake. I don't know what to do. If I leave the snake, it'll bite me. I'm waiting for a long. I don't know what to do. I started crying, but the elephant was smiling. I was angry. Why are you smiling at me? I'm in trouble and you're smiling at me. But the elephant was with a smile. It said, I'm there to help you. You leave the snake. Nothing will happen. No, I can't leave it. But the elephant said again, leave the snake, my dear. What you did? You leave the snake? Yes. Yes, that's what happened. See, Haina left the hand. The snake fell down, but it is not moving. Do you know why? Because the snake is dead. The snake is dead already. The elephant was smiling at Haina and telling, Haina, monkey dear, you understand what happened? When you hold the snake tightly, it was dead. But with the fear, close your eyes, you can't even see the dead snake. You are having in your mind that snake is alive and it'll bite. So, you thought you were in a trouble. But the fact is not that. So, kids, what happened? You understand what happened with the hyena? Yes, with the fear, it can't even think. The brain, the thinking stopped there itself. So, hyena was thinking he is in trouble. But the situation is not that worse. God helped hyena because the snake dead. But to understand, the elephant helped hyena. So every time when you were in trouble, make yourself calm down, think peacefully and think about the solution. Even the problem will not be there when you are cool. Okay? So keep yourself cool even in times of trouble. Okay, kids? Are you enjoying the story? Okay. Please subscribe, comment and share the story to all your friends. Okay? Before leaving, I want to thank Madhavan Books for the wonderful mask. Yes. Thank you. Bye.